Alright, now that from the previous video I showed how to put the solver in here, so now I know Excel solver's in here, I can go back to page 89 in your textbook and go through the steps. It says select the solver. When this dialog box opens, B18 is my maximum profit, so that's what I want to set in my objective box. The 2 I'm maximizing, and then in by changing variable cells, these are my values, and in fact I can click on here on the side just to select them. These are my 2 decision variables right there. So my B16 through C16, I click on that again to bring that back up. And so far it's looking like the picture on page 90. Then it says to do the subject to the constraints, I'm going to select add. I'm going to enter B21, or I'm going to click here and get B21 through B21 through B23. Click to go back, make sure it's less than or equal to. Here is my right hand side, click and drag. So far everything looks pretty much the same. I'm going to say OK, and this is the same. I have one less constraint is why I didn't go to 24. I want to make sure make unconstrained variables non-negative is selected. I want to select a solving method, which is simplex LP, and then I click to solve. And now this box shows my solver results, and I want to select keep solver solution. So I click OK, and automatically it put my answers in for me. So this says my optimal solution is 250 Easy Riders and 200 Ladies Sports. If you kept your graph, which I have here, and you go in and you insert a point, and we said 250, which is my X, my Easy Rider, my Lady Sport is my Y, and this said 200 was the optimal solution. You can see that's actually that point that I mentioned that we would be looking for. So Excel actually solved this for me, which made it really nice to be able to see in Excel how it was solved. And then of course my maximum profit, I could definitely format this with the $, and that would be my maximized total profit.